Thomas the Merchandise Train, Episode 1, Thomas and the Heavy Goods Train. It was an important day on the island of Soda, as everyone was busy with their own jobs. But none of them were working harder than Thomas. Gee, I'm so exhausted for all the work I am doing right now.
How are you exhausted when you have been literally doing nothing for the past 3 months?
What do you mean, Oliver? He has been working very hard. You're just jealous that the Fat Controller has been noticing him and not you.
First of all, stop picking with that accent that you have. And second of all, I'm speaking the truth. And I don't care if I get scolded with the back controller. He said, son of... Hello there, my tank engines. I have an important job for every single one of you. Thomas, you'll be working with Hero with Heavy Goods Train. Oliver, you...
Oh boy, I sure don't like working with Hero. I shall go with them now.
But, he didn't even tell us the rest of it. What?
As Thomas went to help Hero, Spencer and Oliver stayed in the sheds like those useful idiots they are. Beep beep. Hello, Hero. What's your heavy goods train that Fat Controller was talking about?
Oh, you came, Thomas. I'm talking about this heavy goods train. It is so heavy without me that you need my... I need your help.
Alright then, I shall go with the back of the train and couple up. As Thomas coupled up to the train, the guard blew his whistle. And the two puffed away.
Oh, hey, Charlie. How you been doing? I shall not talk to you. You are a diesel, and diesels are meanies. So that means including you. That hurts, you know? Good job, Thomas. We're here, Thomas. Now, where's the flatbed?
I don't have it. Dun dun dun. Hello. I lost it along the way. I don't know where it is.
It's right there. For fuck's sake.
Don't worry, Hero. I'll get the flatbed or the goods train. Meow. I got it.
Well done, Thomas. You are a really useful engine.
Thank you. Dun 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 dun.